Hi mga ka-foodies! Welcome back to my channel. Today, gagawa tayo ng isang healthy at masarap na dish. Tofu with broccoli, enoki, and umbrella mushroom in oyster sauce. Perfecto for a quick lunch or dinner. Ready na ba kayo? Let's start! Una, let's prepare our ingredients. Hiwain ng broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Tanggalin din ang dulo ng enoki at umbrella mushrooms. And chop natin ang spring onions, syempre ang ating tofu, cut into cubes. Then chop the garlic and onion. Ready na lahat? Let's get cooking. Heat some cooking oil in a pan. Then fry the tofu cubes until golden brown. Set aside muna natin yan. Sa parehong pan, saute the garlic and onion hanggang maging fragrant. Sunod natin ang broccoli, enoki, and umbrella mushrooms. Stir-fry lang for a few minutes hanggang mag-soften ng